Sustainable Development Goals.
The 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development was adopted by the world leaders in September 2015 at a historic UN summit. On January 1st, 2016, the 17 SDGs of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development officially came into force. Global goals were adopted as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity. And in order to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, it is necessary to involve the government, business, institutions of education, and NGOs. How will mathematics education contribute to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals? The role of mathematics education is essential because every phenomenon on Earth is subject to mathematics. 13th goal: organize climate action. Challenges brought by climate change, pollution, controlling epidemics, ocean sustainability, natural disasters, and man-made disasters are all subject to equations. In short, the sustainability of planet Earth depends on mathematical science. Predicting the size, location, and timing of natural hazards is virtually impossible. But because of the help of mathematics, we are able to forecast calamities such as typhoons, floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, wildfires, and landslides, etc. Weather prediction. It's math. At the data centers in Virginia and Florida, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration supercomputers are on the job non-stop. Every day, the supercomputers collect and organize billions of Earth observations, such as temperature, air pressure, moisture, wind speed, and water levels, which are critical to initialize all numerical weather prediction models. All these observations are represented by numbers. How does NOAA observe the planet? Through weather balloons, satellites, buoys, radars, sensors on commercial aircraft and ships, coastal and river gauges, nationwide network of ground-based observing stations. The supercomputers then plug these observations into a series of mathematical algorithms that represent the physical properties of the atmosphere and predict what will happen globally up to 60 days into the future. Today's forecast and the improved forecast of the future are made possible by sustained investments in observing stations, weather and climate models, and the supercomputers that power them. Third goal: good health and well-being. One of the great lessons of the current pandemic is the need for mathematical models which predict the evolution of the infection. They also help optimize resources through operational research, and the key to knowing exactly how effective vaccines are is through the use of statistics, which is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of masses of numerical data. We believe that the 2030 Agenda hasn't penetrated the mathematical community enough. It's essential that this initiative has an impact on their activities, and not only on mathematicians, but but on the rest of the scientific community, since the problem raised require a multidisciplinary approach. That ends my presentation. Thank you for watching.